gonna do here? Okay, here's the Yellowstone history. I think it could erupt soon. This is wow, this is a nice volcano. Uh-oh. Oh, hurry up. I need to go to the bunker quickly. Wait, how are we going to go to the bunker? Hurry up! Just get there to the small table. And I will go to the small place so no one will find me. Ah! Na-split yung body. Then magtatago siya sa lalim. Are you sure makasurvive? Are you sure you could survive? Yes, I know. I'm a genius as Albert Einstein. What do you say? Nothing. Let me remove this and do not ever hide. If you hide, you're dead. I'm hiding. Why you're hiding? But Yellowstone will explode soon. I don't care about Yellowstone. It looks like poop volcano. What do you say? Nothing. Hurry up! Hurry up! Go to the under. Perfect. Hurry up! Oh my! Yellowstone! Oh shoot! Yellowstone is actually real. Oh no! Oh no! The Yellowstone erupted. Somebody help us! I don't want to do this. Get the frick! Oh no! Yellowstone erupted. Oh my! He died. It's super stronger than Mount Vesuvius. Help me! I'm trapped. Perfect, I escaped. How am I gonna get rid of those stupid balls? How I'm gonna? Ow! That's so pain. Shit this machine out of here. Where's she? I think the Yellowstone will erupt again. A Yellowstone! I need to get to the bunker quickly. Are you still there? Yeah, I'm too scared. I need to hide. What? Where are you hiding? Underneath the table again. Why are you hiding underneath the table? Table's the best. You could hide during the earthquake. What do you say? Nothing. hide it. Oh man. Shit, this machine and no more machine of this. Oh no, no one survived this incident. I think I'm the only one again. Oh, I'm actually the only person right now. There's only one dead. Uh-oh. Not the Yellowstone eruption again. No. Ow. That was so pain. Whoa. That ball is so deadly. Ah. Hey, what is this freaking head? Ah. I need to escape quickly before the Yellowstone erupts again. Yeah. Somebody help us. Ouch. Wait, we are only 2 survived? No, we are 4 survived this incident. Hurry up, we have to better hurry up. Let's escape this event. Ah! Hurry up, you have to escape now. I know, I'm still stuck. Wake me out of there! Do not leave me! If you leave me, I'll kill you with my gun. I actually hear this is super dangerous. Let's escape! Hurry up! Ow! That's so pain. Ow! Are you okay? Yeah, I have a belly pain. Here, I have a regen surge for us. Yeah! Hello there, you watchers! You're 2 alive? Yeah! We're only 2 alive in this situation. Now, what happened to this place? The Yellowstone erupted. Okay, I need to better call 911 to save us. They're 30 minutes away. What? 30 minutes away? But the ball are in the sea. I don't care. They're gonna get slowly. Okay, I put this. We found a survivor. There are 4 survived this incident. Those freaking ball blocks are away. How are we gonna get there so far? The rescue is here! Hurry up! Ah! Help me! I told you not to move the boat. Ah! Help me! Not my lamp plant! Hurry up! Hello there! You have to better get to the boat quickly. I have to better search from survivors. There are 4 survivors. I need to better check if there's more survivors left here to the town of Yellowstone. Hurry up! Hurry up! You have to better get there before you lose. Yeah, I'm safe. We're also safe though. I don't know what I'm gonna do here. Hey, hurry up! Ah! Ouch! Perfect. Beware, cause you could fall down. I need to better move quickly. Are you painting? Yeah, I need a. I need a better search from other survivors there. If I saw a wolf, I will kill him. What? How? With my machete. hand is rotten, so that means he's dead. Aray! Is there any survivor out there? Oh no, Yellowstone erupted again. Oh no, the Yellowstone erupted! Oh my. I hope the leaders survive. There's no more survivors left. Let me leave quick. Hurry up! I'm actually hurry upping. Okay, you have to better go to the boat. I don't know how to start the engine because someone blocked all the ways. I said start the engine before Yellowstone erupted again. Okay, I really know.